Unlock a world of convenient cravings by getting your Taco Bell gift card loaded onto the app. First things first, make sure you have the official Taco Bell app downloaded onto your smartphone. You can find it in your device's app store. Once the app is open, navigate to the payment section. You'll typically find this represented by a wallet or payment icon, often located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that icon, and you'll see your current payment methods. Look for an option that says Add Payment Method or a similar phrase, often accompanied by a plus sign. From the available options, select Add Gift Card. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll see fields to input your gift card details. You'll need to enter the 16-digit gift card number, which is usually found on the back of your physical card, or if it's a digital card, in the email you received. Below that, you'll need to enter the PIN code, also typically found on the back of your card or in your digital confirmation. Be sure to enter these accurately. Once both numbers are entered correctly, tap the Add Gift Card or Submit button. The app will then process your request. Success! Your gift card balance is now linked to your Taco Bell app account. You can now use it for easy mobile ordering and checkout. This makes ordering your favorite tacos, burritos, and cravings faster and simpler than ever before. Plus, you'll be ready to snag any exclusive offers or loyalty rewards that come your way.